How to apply Glovo rider. If you want to apply for Glovo as a rider, there is very simple to do so. You can simply fill out the form online from the mobile app or through their website. So you could either download the Glovo Rider for Couriers application on your mobile phone, or you can simply open your browser and go to rider.glovoapp.com. I repeat, rider.glovoapp.com, and you would see this type of interface. Now here, it will ask us to boost your earnings as a Glovo rider and sign up today and start making money. So under create your profile, simply choose a city where you would like to deliver. Then after that, choose your vehicle. Even if you do not have a vehicle, you can choose to join Glovo as a rider, as a walker. So motorbike, electric motorbike, bicycle, or walker. So based on what kind of vehicle you have, select that. Now you want to simply fill out the form. Enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your country code and your phone number. Agree to the terms and the conditions. Tap and submit. After this form, you will be able to follow other on-screen instructions to be able to join Glovo and apply as a rider. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.